Using the Rebuilder foot pads for your hands and arms. Just as you would with treatment of your feet, take the Rebuilder electrolyte, spray each foot pad in the gray foot-shaped pattern 5 or 6 times or until they are dampened. More spray can be added if desired to enhance conductivity. When you are ready for treatment, connect your Rebuilder to the lead wire. It doesn't matter which model is used. Refer to the instructions for treatment information. Standard protocol uses the palmar surfaces of the hand. Take each hand and place flat on the gray area of the pads. For severe symptoms in the fingers, elevate the arm with the tips of the fingers to rest on each pad. Wrist pain symptoms can be alleviated by resting the forearm on one electrode, while simultaneously resting the tips of the fingers on the other gray area of each pad. For treatment using the foot pads with your feet, please watch our other video. Please watch our other videos for using the Rebuilder with other treatment options and other accessories. Visit us online at rebuildermedical.com to shop for accessories and supplies. Or call us toll-free at 877-717-5487.